You couldn't have teamed up with a better cellular partner than NYNEX Mobile. You've chosen a technological leader committed to helping you communicate wherever you are. And the only thing more impressive than our technology is the customer service behind it. At the heart of NYNEX Mobile is one of the world's most advanced cellular systems, a high-tech network of strategically placed radio towers, or cell sites. Your calls begin as radio waves. When you make a call, those waves are received at a cell site and transmitted to a mobile switching system, where the call is instantly routed to its destination. Each cell site handles calls in a specific geographic area. NYNEX Mobile has more cell sites throughout the Northeast than any other provider, so wherever you are in the region, you're not far from a cell. Behind this extensive coverage is NYNEX Mobile's Advanced Network Control Center, where call transmission quality is monitored around the clock. And supporting all of this remarkable technology are the people of NYNEX Mobile.
Hello, ma'am. Hi, this is Heather from customer service.
Hello, NYNEX Mobile, Dan speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, thanks. I have information for you. Okay, certainly I can help you with that. What is your mobile telephone number?
And your name is, ma'am?
They're the ones setting the standard for quality and reliability, making your life easier at every turn.
Absolutely. We'll take care of that for you.
So the credit is being issued for you.
Take care of that today. There will be no charge.
If you have any questions about your service, just dial 611 or 711 from your cellular phone or call the toll-free number for your area. NYNEX Mobile customer service representatives are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There are 3 kinds of phones. Mobile phones are permanently installed in your car and draw power from the car's battery. Transportables are similar to mobile phones, but they can be detached and carried with you. Portable or personal phones are small and light enough to fit in your pocket, so you can take them anywhere, like a TV studio. But don't forget, portables run on rechargeable batteries, so you'll have to get in the habit of recharging them. Whichever phone you've chosen, the basics of operation are the same. I'll demonstrate with my portable. Every phone has a power key to turn it on and off, number keys for dialing, and there's a display where you'll see the number you've dialed and other important messages we'll talk about. The store key is used to store numbers in memory. The recall key recalls and displays stored numbers. The clear key removes numbers you've entered, and the function key is used to access special features. Now, to make a call, you press power, enter the number you're calling, and press the send key. To end the call, press the end key. Simple. But some things aren't so obvious, especially when you take your new transportable or portable phone out of the box. Remember these 2 things. Your battery comes uncharged, and your phone may come locked. To learn how to charge and care for your batteries, consult your manual. I promise you it's easy. After you've charged and attached your battery, make sure your phone is unlocked. If you get a message like this when you hit the power key, it's locked and you can't make calls, although you might be able to receive them. Your next step is to consult the user's manual to find out how to unlock your phone. To unlock most of them, you enter the security code number you receive when you buy the phone. So, your phone is unlocked and you're ready to make that first call. After you press the power key, you'll hear a tone and see the display running through a brief test cycle, ending in a signal strength reading. This bar graph tells you the relative strength of your radio signal. The more bars, the stronger your signal. But keep in mind that even when the bar is short, you still may be able to make and receive calls. The only time you can't use your phone is when this no service light stays on after you've waited a moment. That means you're out of range of a cell site. But now you're ready to make your call. If you were to put the phone to your ear, you'd hear nothing. There's no dial tone in cellular service. Once your phone is on, it's ready to use. So just dial the number and press the send key. You'll hear it ring, and when you're ready to end your call, just push the end key. That's the way you hang up in the cellular world. And what if your call doesn't go through? First of all, you should know that NYNEX doesn't bill you for busy signals, calls that don't connect, and no answers. If the line is in use, you'll hear the expected busy signal. To hang up, just press the end key. No charge. If the call didn't go through properly, you'll hear a fast, busy signal. When you hear that, just try the call again. It'll usually go through. By the way, to automatically redial the last number called, press send again. This is just one of the memory features most phones have. To find out how to store phone numbers for speed dialing, consult your user's manual. Oh, to receive a call when the phone rings, just press the send key and begin to talk. One final telephone note, don't forget about your antenna. For best results, make sure your antenna is fully extended and pointing up. It makes a difference. Now, let's talk about the kinds of calls you'll be making and receiving. There are two basic categories: calls within your home service area and calls made when you're roaming outside your home service area throughout the United States and Canada. The major difference between home service area calls and roaming calls is the way you're billed. Think of your home service area as home base. NYNEX Mobile has several of these areas throughout the Northeast, and you're in one of them. When you're in your home service area, you can make calls to and receive calls from any other phone at the rates determined by the service plan you've chosen. In most cases, you can make local, long distance, and credit card calls just as you would with any phone. To make a call within your home service area, just dial the 7-digit number if it's in the same area code as your cellular number. If it's not, then you'll have to add the area code to make the call. Remember that whenever you make and receive a call in or out of your home service area, you're using airtime and you'll be billed for that. When you use your cellular phone outside your home service area, you're roaming. You may be billed a roaming charge, but you'll have the added convenience of staying in touch when you're out of town. NYNEX Mobile and other leading cellular companies together offer Mobile Link service to make roaming easy in hundreds of cities across the U.S. and Canada. To make or receive a roaming call, you need to see the roam light. If the no service light stays on, you can't make or receive a call. Let's look at some of the typical roaming situations. Say I'm in another region of the country and want to call home. In most areas, I would see the roam light and just make my call. But in some areas, I have to make a prior arrangement with the local cellular carrier before I could use my phone. Your NYNEX Mobile Roaming Guide tells you which carriers require it. Either way, most roaming calls will cost more than calls made within your home service area for 3 reasons. First, some cellular carriers charge an extra fee to use their system. Roaming rates are usually higher than your home service area rates. And if you're making a long-distance call, you'll also have a long-distance charge. Now let's look at how people can reach you when you're roaming. Today, special roaming services are making it even easier to call you on the road, and they're growing fast. With NYNEX Mobile Reach, callers can now automatically reach you in many areas from Washington, D.C. to Boston simply by dialing your cellular number. You don't have to do anything but answer the call. And Follow Me roaming makes you just as reachable in hundreds of other cities. You just press star 18 and send to activate this service once a day in the morning when you're on the road and whenever you enter another Follow Me roaming area. By doing this, your callers can easily reach you just by dialing your cellular number. To receive roaming calls in some areas, your caller may need to dial a 10-digit roamer access number to connect them with the system you're traveling in, followed by your cellular number. Everything you need to know about roaming service is outlined in this NYNEX Mobile Roaming Guide. It's going to make a difference in your life. Enjoy it, and thanks for joining me.